Meaning of grumpily.
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 Grumpily. Grumpily is an adverb that describes someone who is in a bad mood or expresses displeasure in a surly or begrudging manner. It implies being short-tempered, irritable, and easily annoyed. A person who is grumpily may have a tendency to complain or criticize others frequently. This kind of behavior can be discouraging to those around them, as it creates a negative atmosphere. Grumpiness can be caused by various factors, such as stress, fatigue, or dissatisfaction with one's life. It's essential to be aware of our emotions and ensure that we don't let our grumpiness affect others.